Get ready to turn your passion into profit. In this video, we'll dive into the world of trading for beginners, covering everything you need to know to get started. Imagine you're playing a game of chess, but instead of pawns and knights, you're dealing with stocks, crypto, or forex. The goal? To make the best moves, buy at the right time, and sell at the perfect moment. What is trading? Trading is essentially about buying and selling assets with the aim of making a profit. It's like being a detective, analyzing the market to find hidden clues and patterns. Think of it as a puzzle where you're trying to piece together the pieces to predict the future. How to trade? To crack this puzzle, we need two powerful tools. Those are technical analysis and fundamental analysis. Let's break it down. Fundamental analysis. Imagine you're buying a house. You would not just look at the price tag, right? You'd also want to know about its condition, the neighborhood, and any nearby schools or shops. Fundamental analysis is like that. It's about looking beyond just the price of something and understanding its true value. To do fundamental analysis, you look at things like the company's financial health. Is it making money? Is it spending wisely? Economic factors, overall economic conditions, interest rates, inflation, and GDP growth. The industry it's in, is the industry growing or shrinking? Are there a lot of competitors? By understanding these things, you can get a better idea of whether the stock is a good investment or not. Technical analysis. It's like studying the body language of the market, but instead of gestures and facial expressions, we're looking at price movements on charts. Think of it as a detective analyzing a crime scene, piecing together clues to determine what happened and what might happen next. I'll continue this video by using some specific keywords. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with them. In this video, I'll provide a brief introduction to trading and what you need to know before getting started. In my next video, I'll delve deeper into those keywords. I promise you that. Now, let's move on to the final and most valuable part. For technical analysis, we use price charts that show how asset prices move over time. Trust me, for now, this is sufficient. By examining price charts, we can identify patterns, support and resistance levels and trends. These patterns can provide valuable insights into market sentiment, potential reversals, and upcoming price movements. For example, if the price repeatedly bounces off a certain level, it might indicate strong support, suggesting that the market is reluctant to go lower. Technical analysis also involves using various indicators, such as moving averages, relative strength index, and MACD. These indicators can help confirm trends, identify overbought or oversold conditions, and generate trading signals. However, it's important to remember that no indicator is perfect, and it's always a good idea to use multiple indicators in combination. We've reached the end of our beginner's guide to trading. As I promised earlier in the video, we'll dive deeper into technical analysis, exploring different chart patterns, indicators, and strategies. Stay tuned for that. Remember, the greatest traders have all walked the exact same path you are on right now. So don't be discouraged by the challenges you may face. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a successful trader. This is also my first video on YouTube. If you found it helpful, please hit the subscribe button and drop a like. Your support means a lot to me. Thank you.